So we all know just how expensive it really is to make it with photography. You have your cameras, your lenses, your microphones, your tripods, your lights, your stands. It can get really expensive, really daunting, really fast. And sometimes you forget that you might even need a studio to take your photos in. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys just how you can take some quick studio quality portraits in your own room. You just need a little bit of space. How's it going, guys? My name is Andre. I am a student who is very fascinated about photography, videography, and anything business related. So if any of that interests you, make sure to stick around, maybe subscribe to the channel. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys how I was able to take some wicked portraits, self-portraits of myself, in my basement with the help of my brother and just some of the equipment that I have, as well with about $10 spent at the dollar store. So let's check it out. We'll see the gear that I used. I'm gonna take you guys along. You guys can see the behind the scenes, and at the very end I will show you guys the photos that we managed to create. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how quick and simple it actually really is to set up a little budget studio at home. So right here, this is little poster board right from the dollar store. This is actually going to be our backdrop. I'm going to be sitting right here, and we are going to get just a nice little headshot of us against the blue background. So if we kind of do a full 360 and we rotate around in my mess of a basement, right here we have a massive 36-inch parabolic softbox that will be lighting our face. Right below we have our Sony a7 III paired with the Tamron 28-75, and we also have our little Godox trigger. Inside of the light, I do have a Godox AD200 on a very cheap and flimsy light stand. We have my brother over there, and we also have some extension cords that are keeping this flimsy light from falling over because it is so heavy. So I'm gonna set it up. We're gonna take some photos. Both and I and my brother are gonna take turns. If you don't have someone to take the photo for you, you can always use your phone with Sony imaging to take that photo, or you can set up a self timer. So let's see how these photos turn out. So there you guys have it. That is how you can create some wicked photos in a small tight space in your basement. You don't need fancy backdrops or the most amazing light stands. You don't even need like some of the lights that I had. You can actually use very simple flashes to also create this. You don't need the biggest modifiers, but it's just a matter of trial and error, trying those spaces to see if it actually works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to actually go and create something of your own. Let me know down in the comments section below if you do, and check me out on Instagram at Andre_Roman. And until next time, stay groovy.